Would you like to optimize your compressed air station? With our air demand analysis and the Kaeser Energy Saving System, we can assist you in optimizing your compressed air station in just a few small steps. Are you looking to optimize or expand your existing compressed air station? Are you aware of its potential weak points? Or are you planning to install a new compressed air station which precisely meets your needs? With Kaeser's air demand analysis and the Kaeser Energy Saving System, our compressed air experts can provide you with the full picture when it comes to your compressed air station and advise the most efficient and dependable solution for your compressed air supply. Step 1 is getting to know your needs. Our experts will visit your facility to understand your station. They work closely with you to collect all the necessary information, production parameters, existing components, installation location, and your plans for the future. Step 2 is for us to generate precise consumption profiles of your compressed air station using air demand analysis. This allows us to determine your actual air demand. We then give you a full picture of the measurement period, find potential weak points in your station, and identify energy saving potential. With ADA, we lay the groundwork for an optimum compressed air station. Step 3 is to determine the optimum solution. All gathered data is analysed using the Kaeser Energy Saving System. With this advanced software, which was developed by Kaeser, we are able to design a bespoke solution that is both efficient and economical. Following installation, you're ready for station optimization. Our compressed air experts can accompany you from the planning phase right through to the implementation of your compressed air station. When you choose to optimize your compressed air station with Kaeser, you will benefit from a tailored concept, reliable compressed air availability, reduced running costs, constantly high compressed air quality, and a reliable partner. Get started today. Just phone 1-800-640-820 or email us at info.australia@kaeser.com.